What's up, guys? We're back at my boy Butterball's house. We got the engine and trans out of the 240, all bolted up to the stand. We're gonna try to get all this stuff apart, like the turbo, the exhaust manifold, intake manifold, and the valve cover. Start just tearing it down. Alright, we got the exhaust manifold and the turbo off. So now that's all taken apart. Now we gotta move over to this clusterfuck of an intake side. Alright, what's up, guys? So the GoPro died again, but I ended up getting all the exhaust manifold stuff out and the intake manifold, the upper and lower. So now I'm gonna start taking the valve cover and everything else off, and I guess we'll do a little time lapse of that. What's up, guys? So Butterball just hit his foot and he's bitching and complaining, but we just figured out we got a bad lifter on intake side number 3, so that could be starting our knock. Intake side number 4, a good lifter, and a good lifter you can't push down at all, no matter how hard I squeeze. So we're gonna continue down with the teardown, and hopefully everything else goes smoothly. Alright, guys, so we got the exhaust side of all the rocker arms and lifters out, and we figured out that the exhaust side on cylinder number 2, 3, and 4, the lifters are bad, and then on the intake side the lifters are bad on 2 and 3. So we're gonna try and re-bleed them eventually and see if we don't have to replace the lifters. If not, we'll replace them, no big deal. But we're gonna have another video, we're gonna pull the head, and hopefully we're gonna try and get some fishing videos in there too. So thanks for watching.